It's been 20 years since we have been in this business. We have tried our best to provide the most innovative solutions and help designers all across the country to help them develop better products. The reason the company was founded was that in 2004, when we started this company, there was a huge shortage of companies which provided genuine engineering services in this country. So what we tried to do is a group of 3 people, including me, decided that there could be a scope for a company like us. Maybe it will take a little longer time to sustain, but maybe it will be better to do something like this, and that's the reason we started this. Some of the key milestones are from day one. We always decided that we will not do a regular product sale in this company. We will always select a few very niche technologies which were not available in that time in India, and try and bring those technologies to the Indian business, to the Indian design community. So just to give you one example, we bought tools which are required to develop and design turbo machinery, which was very new in India. So today there are probably hundreds of engineers who have got benefit out of it, and India is able to develop decent turbo machinery products. The second one probably is multidisciplinary design optimization. Design optimization was a subject which was not heard in India. We bought the technology to India from Europe. In fact, at one point, when Dr. Abdul Kalam was the president, he heard news about multidisciplinary design optimization when he made a visit to HAL, and he appreciated something like this happening here in India. We are still a small company after 20 years, but we have stuck to certain very basic values that we need to follow to do business. Number one, we've always looked at our employees and treated them as partners. So in this long 20 years of our history, we have not had a single issue with any of our employees. In fact, there are employees who have stayed with us for 10 years, 12 years. We are one of those very small companies where employee retainment is become a norm for us. It's very normal for us to retain employees for many years. We have also made sure that we have a good relationship record with our principals or partners. So as of today, we've had several partners with us. Okay, we have not had a single issue with any of the partners. We have heard of people reading all kinds of books and using all kinds of new techniques to provide very innovative leadership solutions. My basic take on leadership would be to be as simple as possible in your approach. Keep both the employees and the customers on a relationship which lasts on a day-to-day basis. We are not talking to our customers just because we need to get some orders from them. We are continuously talking to them. We are one of those companies who are supporting the customer even when they are not doing regular business with us. Okay, there are customers who do not come under any maintenance contract with us, but they are still being supported by our technical teams. And those are small things which has helped us retain customers and provide a very, very unique leadership in this industry. I would say we surely had some failures here and there. Not a major one, but we have had a couple of minor failures. For example, I think one of the partners was with us for the turbo machinery solutions. We were so impressed by their technology that we wanted to do a kind of a joint venture with them here in India. We proposed the joint venture and they agreed to it. But somehow the way we communicated ideas to them and our exchange of information was not going the right way. So ultimately it did not take off. So today we do not have that partnership with us. I would say having vision of 10 years or 20 years is not the correct way of doing business. We should probably have very, very short-term visions of what we should do. Probably 2 years, 3 years, 4 years is the maximum that we should plan, because as of now the world is changing, customers are changing very rapidly, and businesses are changing. So we need to change the way the environment is changing in the industry. So my take would be to have very, very short-term visions and plan accordingly. I don't do some scientific planning to do that. From the day we were incorporated in 2004, we have always maintained a 5-day week, and the other 2 days of the week, we normally don't talk business with anybody, including our own employees. Okay, so those 2 days are their personal days. They need to enjoy life, because after all, we feel everything that we are doing today in this company is to have a better life. So we strongly believe that there should be a compartment between the days we work in the office and the days we do not work. So that is one of our, maybe the key formulas which has helped us to maintain. We've had a very good success story in terms of employees who have worked with us. We are probably one of the very few companies in our segment where employees have stayed with us for more than 10 years or 15 years. In fact, there was one employee who stayed with us for 18 years, and there are a couple of employees who are still with us, who are more than 15 years old in this company. Most of them, the feedback that we have got from them is that they like the culture, they like the approach that the company takes towards them, and this is what is helping them stay with us. If I have to have lunch with a historical figure, I would probably have lunch with Mahatma Gandhi.
Sure.
And Ask him how he managed to run a very large movement in India, because it was not easy for him. He had no tools. He just had the talent to make very, very simple speeches. How did he manage to get so many people on board and to fight the mighty British for independence here in India? I don't think we need to do anything special for this milestone. We just need to follow, because our track record in the last 20 years is showing us that we are more or less on the right path. We just need to continue what we are doing. We need to continue focusing on the customer, who's becoming more and more important, because the task that the customer is taking is becoming more and more difficult. So probably that would be the key thing that we need to do in the next few years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.